prison, I would be made to enter again. But now love makes me stay awake at night, and by day gives me a ration of sighs and of thoughts. For one in whom beauty and youth and pure worth and pure valor are, and courtesy and honor, for which I cry sweetly for mercy, that pity for me may take her. But yet I know that with reason love wants to judge me for pure love, for with her I must find mercy. She knows is good that isn't sweet and pleasing to me. And if a judgment were made in the court of loyal lovers, he whom love so torments and loves with heart and faith would have from love joy and good. So I will have good reward from her whom I can love so much, if she wants to consider love's law. For of nothing else do I think but of her, and my sense is so fixed on her, as it is with a man who is wealthy and who takes such pleasure in his riches, that though he could have elsewhere 1,000 times more, it wouldn't seem to be worth anything compared to what he has. Nothing can, without her, do me good, for the ills I have nor help me. So since no other can give me joy or health or healing from my ills or from my torments, it's right that I be obedient to her, like one whom great griefs torment, and knows he can have no help except from a single doctor in whom he believes. For so she must hold me dear as herself. I suffer in peace the griefs I have for her, and don't turn elsewhere. I beg her to keep my body with her, since my heart she